Welcome back everyone! Today we are reviewing 10 road trip essentials that you can buy from Amazon using the links in the description. We will start with a NOCO Boost Portable Jump Starter. Picture this, it is late, your battery is dead, and waiting for a tow is the last thing you want to do. The NOCO Boost GB40 steps into that moment like a compact lifesaver, small enough to store in a glove box yet confident enough to crank a 6.0L petrol or 3.0L diesel engine when you need it. What stands out is how it removes the usual anxiety of a jump. The clamps are designed so you can't hook them up wrong, so no sparks and no fumbling in the dark. When you're not reviving your car, it quietly doubles as a backup battery for a phone or tablet, and the built-in LED gives you a proper light for roadside repairs. It recharges quickly, so a short downtime between uses gets you back to readiness. The rugged housing means it won't mind getting tossed in the trunk, and those heavy-duty clamps give a reassuring solid connection. For anyone who's had to flag down help at the side of the road, this feels like a little insurance policy that actually works. It is not flashy, but it is dependable, versatile, and just small enough to always have on hand. If you want something that covers both emergency starts and small device charging without taking up trunk real estate, this is a very sensible pick. Flat tires have a way of turning good plans into long waits, and that is where this Lamicall Inflator becomes a travel hero. Instead of kneeling by the roadside with a hand pump, you plug in a target pressure, press go, and watch your tire climb back to safe levels in minutes, fast enough to get you moving without that nagging worry. It is built to be used off the car too, with a battery that actually lasts through dozens of top-ups so you aren't stranded if you forget to plug in. The automatic stop feature is a small relief your nerves touch. Set a number and it won't overpump, which is especially handy when you're juggling kids or groceries. The clear LED makes nighttime use straightforward, and a few included adapters mean you can handle everything from bikes to balls without scrambling for parts. It is the kind of gadget that earns its place in the boot because it quietly prevents a lot of little inconveniences. Compact enough to carry yet powerful enough to do the job quickly, it helps you stay on schedule and out of emergency lanes. If you'd rather inflate and drive than wait, this inflator is a very practical addition. Open up a messy trunk after grocery shopping or a weekend away and you'll immediately appreciate why a structured organizer matters. And the FORTEM boot organizer leans into that problem with sensible design. It keeps its shape so your shopping bags don't spill over the side, and the dividers mean cleaning supplies stay separated from food or sports gear. When you don't need the full setup, it collapses down to save space, which is handy if the trunk needs to haul something awkward on the way home. I like that it doesn't slide around thanks to non-slip strips and adjustable straps, so once you've secured it, your bottles and boxes stay put through cornering and breaking. The side pockets give quick access to smaller items you always seem to need at the last minute, and the ability to interlock multiple organizers makes scale-up simple for bigger families. It is not a luxury purchase, it is a small investment that cuts down on daily friction and keeps the car feeling more under control. If you value order and want less time digging around for stray items, this organizer is a straightforward, durable solution. When night falls on a campsite, or the power goes out at home, the Glockescent lantern suddenly becomes the center of everything you want to see. It manages to be both extremely bright and surprisingly compact, so you can toss it in a backpack and still light up a whole tent or picnic with even, shadow-free illumination. The multiple color and brightness settings are more than gimmicks. They let you dial in softer light for reading or a stark white for cooking or repairs, and the SOS mode feels like a genuine safety net. I appreciated the ruggedness during a rainy weekend. Waterproofing and drop-tested durability mean it keeps working when conditions turn sloppy. The long runtime is a real advantage on trips without ready power, and USB-C charging makes it easy to top up from a power bank or solar panel. For anyone who spends time outdoors or worries about reliable lighting at home, this lantern hits the sweet spot of performance and portability. It is one of those gear pieces you don't notice until you need it, and then you're grateful you packed it. For camping, emergency kits, or just an all-around dependable light, this is a compact winner. If your usual food storage solution on the road is a bag or a cooler that melts halfway through the trip, this Koolatron 25L cooler bag is a solid, lower-effort upgrade that keeps the good stuff chilled without drama. It fits a surprising number of cans while still folding flat for storage when you're done, so you don't sacrifice trunk space for occasional chill time. Plug it into your car's 12V outlet and you'll find it keeps snacks and drinks reliably cool, which is perfect for long drives, beach days, or tailgate meetups where ice would be inconvenient. The soft side build makes it easy to carry by hand or sling over a shoulder, and external pockets mean utensils, napkins, or small items don't crowd the cool interior. Cleaning is painless too. The interior wipes down so spills aren't a lingering problem. It won't replace a full-size fridge for long-term cold storage, but it nails the everyday use case of keeping food fresh and drinks cold on the go. When you need more than occasional chilling and want actual fridge-level performance on the road, the ADVWIN compressor fridge steps up as a genuinely capable portable refrigerator. It cools down quickly when you're loading up cold drinks or perishable food, and the separate compartments let you organize items without them affecting each other. The quiet, vibration-reduced operation is a welcome change on overnight trips or when you're parked at a campsite and don't want a noisy appliance ruining the ambience. Safety features that protect your vehicle battery make it smarter than just any powered box. You can run it on long drives without worrying you'll be left unable to start the car later. It is designed to be lifted and moved, with handles and a removable divider that make packing and restocking straightforward. For families or people who cook fresh meals on the road, this kind of flexibility changes what you can bring along. It is not the cheapest option, but if you value reliable cooling and quieter operation over sacrificing perishables, this fridge earns its place in the trunk. Power is the quiet enabler for modern adventuring, and the BLUETTI AC2A packs a reassuring chunk of usable energy into a compact, travel-friendly package. It fits enough capacity to run small appliances or charge multiple devices, and the fast recharge time means downtime between uses is minimal, which matters when you're relying on it for a weekend away or a sudden outage. The LiFePO4 chemistry gives it better longevity and safety than many alternatives, and being able to monitor and control it with an app is a surprisingly useful convenience when you want to balance usage on the fly. Lightweight and with several outlet types, it is easy to plug in a small fridge, charge camera gear, or keep lights and phones powered simultaneously. The ability to recharge from solar also makes it a good companion for longer off-grid stays. For those building a portable power setup that is not a burden to carry, this station finds a practical balance between capacity, convenience, and durability. If you want dependable, quiet backup power without hauling a bulky generator, this is a solid choice. For anyone who can't start a trip without a hot drink, the Bewinner Travel Kettle is the kind of clever gadget that solves a surprisingly common problem. It is a cordless, rechargeable cup you can boil water in while camping or sitting in a car park, and that portability means you don't need to hunt down plugs or rely on scalding thermoses. The ability to deliver multiple boils on a single charge makes it useful for mornings when everyone wants something warm without running back to base. Safety-minded features like dry burn protection mean it won't try to run itself to ruin if the water level's low, and the stainless interior is easy to clean and won't taint your tea. It is a bit heavier than a regular travel mug, but that feels like a fair trade for genuine boiling power without cords. Note that it won't operate while charging, so it is best to top up before you head out. Long journeys and cramped seats can turn even short trips into neck-strain marathons, and the DAWNTREES memory foam travel pillow feels like a small upgrade that makes a big difference. It cradles your neck in a way that soft travel pillows don't, and the buckle lets you fine-tune the fit so your head doesn't flop forward when you nod off. The fabric is breathable and pleasant against the skin, which keeps things comfortable on hot planes or in stuffy cars. It is easy to fold and stash in its bag between legs of a trip, and it doubles as a handy car pillow if someone needs a quick rest. The travel kit extras like a 3D eye mask and earplugs add to the feeling that this is a thoughtful pack for someone who travels often. It is not a miracle worker for impossible sleep conditions, but it consistently reduces neck soreness and helps you get more usable rest. If you value arriving without a sore neck, this pillow is a quiet travel upgrade. Emergencies don't announce themselves, which is why having a compact, well-stocked first aid kit is more about calm preparedness than dramatics. This kit slips into a glove compartment or backpack and gives you the essentials to handle cuts, scrapes, and those small injuries that need immediate attention before medical help can arrive. The bag is rugged enough for outdoor use and organized so you don't have to rummage through loose items when someone needs help. It includes practical tools and dressings that make a real difference in the minutes after an accident, and the little first aid guide is a useful reminder if adrenaline has you feeling fuzzy. For families, commuters, or anyone who spends time outdoors, it is a sensible peace of mind purchase that can prevent minor problems from becoming worse. Keep an eye on expiry dates for sterile items, and you'll have a reliable kit that is ready when you need it. If you want a sensible, portable way to be prepared for everyday accidents, this kit does the job. We hope you found this list of road trip essentials useful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.